In this video, we will show how to make a level 1 labyrinth. We start just like we did before with level 0, making the cross and 4 points in the corner. But then we add the letter L in the middle, we mirror it, and we label the points starting with A at the top, going to the left up to H, and the same thing to the right, going to the right up to H. And the next step is we connect the A to A, the B to B, and so on until we complete the labyrinth. We got a sketch of the classical labyrinth that appears in many places in the world. And what people do, they make it out of stones, wood, any kind of available object to create those boundaries. And then they walk the labyrinth, starting from outside, which we can call level 0, and we can look at it as 8 concentric circles. Okay, 1, 2. When you walk the labyrinth, you notice that you start from outside and go immediately to level 3. And from level 3, if you keep going, you go to level 2. Then you keep going, you go to level 1. And then from level 1, you go to level 4. And then you go around level 4. You go around and you reach level 7. And then from level 7, you reach level 6, level 5, and finally you come to the center of the labyrinth. So if you write this as a sequence, you start with 0, then 3, then 2. So you got the sequence 0, 3, 2, 1, 4, 7, 6, 5, 8. And after a while, you try to figure out what's the pattern in this sequence. And it may be a challenging puzzle for you if you turn off, pause the video. It took me some time to figure it out, but then you see that the numbers in the even places are even, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, they go up, the even numbers, and the odd numbers go down, but they go down around a circle, okay? So 7, 5, 3, 1. 7, 5, 3, 1. Go to the left. To the right, 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay? So you can look at this as an interesting connection between the left and the right brain, because the left brain is the picture and the right brain, the left brain is the numbers, the sequence, and the right brain is the picture. However, the challenge is to draw this labyrinth based on the sequence without using a seed. And that would be the next video.